Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very important video for budding YouTubers. Like when you have a smartphone, what is that app that you should download that is the exact desktop version of YouTube Creator Studio. So wherein you can see the analytics, see all the views that you have got, all kinds of technical aspect of your channel when you upload a video. So straight away we'll go to that app. I'll tell you. So for that you have to open Play Store as usual. Once you go for in Android, you have to go to Play Store. So in Play Store you have to type in YouTube Studio. Just remember the app name is YouTube Studio. When you see this red gear icon of YouTube, that is the exact app that I am referring to, that is YouTube Studio. Just click on that, and since I've already installed this app in my phone, so it is asking me to open. For you, if you are doing it for the first time, you have to install. Here one option install will come up. Once you open this app, then for the first time it will ask you to sign into this app. I've already signed in my Gmail ID, so it is directly taking me to the YouTube channel that I have. So there is one more channel called Happy Life. So here, as you can see, all the features or most of the features that you get it in the laptop will also be here. It will be directly on your hands, on your smartphone. So it's so convenient and so easy. So some basic things that I will tell you about this YouTube Studio app here. So once you land at this page by opening your YouTube Studio, this window will open up. So once you do this, if you click on this analytics thing, just click it, it will show you the estimated views in 48 hours and some recent 5 videos real-time views. And here you can go like watch time, views, view duration, all the analytical things will be shown here. For example, if it will not be wrong to say that it directly goes to the analytics, means this option, when you press this 3 bars or menu option of this YouTube Studio app, it will take you to this kind of option like dashboard, videos, playlist, comments, and analytics. So I'm just showing you the analytics page. In analytics as well, you can see the overview, revenue. Well, this channel is not monetized yet, so it's showing blank only. So discovery, you can see the impression CTR, click-through rate, all the features that you get it in the laptop. Exactly the same features will be available in this app as well in the analytics page. Audience, interactive content, you can go through all these things, playlist, audience. Okay, so this is called analytics option. I'll go to dashboard. If I go to dashboard again, it will take me to this page, the home page. Here you can see a combination of both all comments, videos, latest video performance, all these things. Then you can go to videos. In videos it will serially show you what are the videos that you have uploaded in your channel. Then you can go to playlist and comments as well. So these are the comments. You can reply from here as well. So when you go to video, you can also edit your video from here. Like you can see this button, this pen button, that is the editing button. You can edit your title. Once I press this, it will take you to this page where you can edit your title, like everything available in the YouTube Studio. Like you can again make it like unlisted, private instead of public, say it is made for kids or not. You can change the tags, your description of this video, title as well. So all the things are available here also in the advanced setting, like category, license, comments, all these things are also available in this option. So friends, as you can see, a very handy tool right in your smartphone, in your hand, to edit your YouTube videos, upload your YouTube videos. You can do all these things in your smartphone as well. So laptop is a good thing for YouTubers for uploading videos, but the smartphone is equally good, if not better than laptop. So if you are a YouTuber, then please don't forget to download this app on your smartphone to access it wherever you want during your work life or during wherever you are, because smartphones are the thing that you carry it almost always with you. You can check number of views, live, everything from this app. So believe me, download this app and you will thank me always. So friends, that's it in this video. If you found this video useful, Please don't forget to like it or share this video, and subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.